are going to be actually showing you guys this amazing XTERRA treadmill, and I'm going to show you guys how it works, the features on it. It's pretty amazing and something that you can truly use right from your own home to get that cardio going, get your heart rate up, start targeting those muscle groups and areas. Let's get right to this. You can see I already have it kind of compact and it's easy to pull out. There's wheels right on the front, so I just wheeled it right on out. It's actually pretty light when it comes to the weight on it. There's a lever right on the left-hand side, so I'm just unplugging that right here, and it's just going to nicely drop down to the floor, and you're going to have your track right there in front of you. So it's, again, going to be a great way to get your cardio in, and the price point's amazing on it, and I'm obsessed with the XTERRA brand because they're really changing the game when it comes to your equipment and having it from home for you guys. So what's cool about the XTERRA treadmill is there's actually 12 different programs that you guys can take yourself through. So it's going to actually change up the speeds and the difference in your heart rate for the different programs that you're doing. And then there's also 9 different speeds that you can adjust as well as you're running on the treadmill. And then you can also, of course, use the programs that they have already built into XTERRA. So let's get started. I'm going to click the start button. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. So again, this is great because you can totally fold it right up, put it in the closet, store it in your home, drag it on outside, and it's just an easy way to get that cardio in and a great machine to have for your fitness. All right. I love this. I'm excited. I've been loving getting to do fitness product demos with you guys because, again, I'm a personal coach and trainer, professional dancer, and I'm here for you guys every day, almost 4 to 6 days a week here on Sway TV for you guys. So today, again, we are doing the XTERRA treadmill right from Amazon for you guys, kind of featuring this and checking it out for ourselves. The frontal portion is great because it's going to have speeds 1 all the way through 9. So depending upon if you just want to take yourself through your own program, you can do that. You also have the option to go through set programs with the treadmill. So you're going to click the program button, and then you can actually click through programs 1 all the way through 12. So you can see the different versions in each program is going to take you through either a more intense run or a more leisurely run, get your heart rate going in different speeds. And then what's also awesome is they're going to be able to adjust your speed just manually up or down here. And they have the emergency button, so in case something does happen, you can just take that, pull it off, and it's going to stop the entire machine. But why I love the XTERRA treadmill is because the time is going to be right up here for you. You can see how long you've been running, doing your cardio. You have the calories burned, as well as the distance, and your speed is going to be on the left-hand side. We're going to take a little run here. Are you guys ready? Let's speed things up. I'm going to take it to, let's say, a level 5. Here we go. Get a nice jog going. All right. What a nice day. So again, guys, this is the XTERRA treadmill. It's going to take you through 12 different programs, 9 different speeds, distance, calories burned right at the front, and manually speed adjustable as well. I love this. Okay, so I'm going to stop it, and I'm actually going to fold it up so you guys can see how easy it is to just wheel on out wherever you're at. So I'm going to press my stop button. It stops the whole program completely. And now, once it's finished, I'm going to step off. I'm going to just grab the bottom portion, lift up the track, pull the lever on the left, and then release it. And look at that. Woo! Hands free.